Hello everyone, in front of me is TCL 408 and let me show you how to change the date and time on this device. At first open the settings, then go to System. Now pick and select date and time, and here you can unmark network provided date, time and time zone, and then you can set it up manually by yourself. So let's go back in time a bit, tap on OK. So as you can see now I am in 2009. We can also change hour the same way, and then it's all the same with time zone. Just click on time zone, pick the region, and then time zone if available, if there is more than one. So that's it, that would be all. Once you want to go back to automatic setup, just mark both switchers. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.